Today I want to do a review of Quix, which is an extensible bookmarklet created by Joost de Valk. What is an extensible bookmarklet, you ask? Well, I ask myself the same question. Basically, though, all I have to do to install this bookmarklet is go to the quixapp.com website, and in the upper right corner here you see this little Quix app icon, and you just drag this up to your, I'm using Firefox actually, it works in Safari as well. Just drag this right up to your bookmarks bar, and you have just installed Quix app. Couldn't be much easier than that. Now what Quix app does is, when you invoke the Quix app, a little command line window opens up right on your screen. And this is where you enter commands. Now maybe you're intimidated by command lines, but you really needn't be, because it's quite easy to master this. There are probably 70 or more, I didn't count them all, but there are a lot of commands that are already set up for you, and all you have to do is enter the symbol or the character for the command that you want to invoke. For instance, let's say we want to measure the dimensions of the Quix logo. I would just invoke the command ruler, R-U-L-E-R. And my cursor turns to a crosshair, and the dimension window box is right next to the crosshair. And as I drag across the logo here, I can see the dimensions. And for web designing, for instance, this is a very handy feature that I frequently use by using an add-on in Firefox. But by using Quix, I no longer need to have that add-on, which probably slows Firefox down quite a bit. And Quix gives me access to many more frequently used commands as well. So to make that go away, you just double-click, and Quix is ready to go for another command. Let's say that I want to do some search engine optimization on this website. I just type in SEO, hit return, and a page shows up here, and it gives you various parameters that you'd be interested in if you were doing SEO on this website. The actions are always working, for the most part, on whatever page you're on. So if you had a bunch of different websites that you've authored and you want to check SEO on all of them, you would just, in succession, go to your various websites. I think this is just an incredibly useful tool. It reminds me in some ways of the old Mac app Quicksilver, which has sort of been replaced by the Google search box. It's just one of those things that once you start using it, you don't know how you ever got along without it. And Joost has done a great job with this, and it's extensible, which means if you have the ability, of course, you can make your own tools, and you can make this even more useful to you. Now, if you want to see a list of all the tools, you just type in help into the Quix window. It'll take you to the Quix app website, and you will see all the commands that are available to you. You can do everything from Amazon search to a Flickr search, Wikipedia. There's social commands. You can do a YouTube search or share something on some of the various social sites. There are various WordPress commands to get you right into the codex, for instance. Lots of SEO tools, webmaster tools. And it's really just quite an amazingly productive thing to have. It works on all the major browsers. I've used it in Safari and Firefox, and it works well in both. And you can get a lot more information on the quixapp.com website. I hope this quick review gets you started with Quix app. Thanks to Joost for doing such a great job with this. And please check my blog tech.michaelherb.net for more useful information. Have a great day.